So I've made my meatballs for my Shourba meatball, and now I'm going to fry the meatballs. What I have is 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil heated up in the bottom of my pot. And this is my soup pot. This is the same pot that I'm going to use to make the soup itself. And I'm going to, hear that sizzle? I'm going to put them in evenly spaced around my pot. You probably need a 4-quart saucepan for this. And they all fit just right. I'm going to fry up 1/2. Give it just 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Then I'll turn them. And then I'll start adding my carrots, my potatoes, and the rest of my spices that go into this soup. It's a tomato-based soup, so we will be using tomato sauce. Now I'm going to turn them. Very gently, I will turn them one at a time. It's important that the meatballs brown before you start adding the other ingredients. The cinnamon makes the meatballs really pop. My meatballs are done, and I'm going to be adding a 16-ounce can of tomato sauce. Salt, a tablespoon, just a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon because I want to match the flavor that's in the meatball itself, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I don't want too much because I don't want to overpower the meatball itself. And then I need to fill this pot with water. I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to add my carrots. And I have a whole bunch of carrots here, a whole pound that I've peeled and sliced. And now I'm going to add water. You want to fill the water to the top of the bowl, and then you want to just let it simmer. You want to let it simmer for about an hour, and when it's finished, the most delicious soup you will ever taste.